Hey everyone, glad to see you again. A lot of you know that Tesla's stock hit a high point around $265 at the end of December. In the next 3 to 4 weeks, I think that if Tesla's price drops near $164, that could be my first goal. That price is 133% less than where it is now. It might get its first real bottom this way. That said, I think it could go much higher. But first, the stock would have to get back above $265. I think there could be a run toward all-time highs if that happens. In fact, Tesla might be bullish all through this year and into next before it peaks. Mark Newton of Fundstrat, who is well known in the investment world, is positive about Tesla's stock. He gives a detailed price target of $265 per share as a reason for a rally. Tesla's stock price could go through the roof if it can break through this level. Not only does Newton agree, but so does the team at Fundstrat Global, which was co-founded by the famous Tom Lee. They are paying close attention to this important level, which suggests it could be a turning point for Tesla's price, a very important thing for buyers to keep an eye on. Before we go any further, please help this station by giving the video a like and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. The next step is to look at some technical research. Based on past trends, traders use technical analysis to guess how stock prices will move in the future. The stock market isn't always about simple facts and numbers. It can be more complicated. The stock price of a company might not always show that it is doing well, even if the business is doing well overall. Prices may stay the same or go down for a while before going up. In the case of Tesla, experts say that the price could drop as low as $164, and it could even drop as low as $143 before beginning to rise again. When things move like this, buying feels like riding a roller coaster with lots of ups and downs. This puzzle isn't as simple as it seems. Analysts use a variety of tools, such as trends, momentum, mood, cycles, and seasonality, to find the best times to buy or sell stocks. My research from earlier this year showed that a low could happen in March or April. That low should be the lowest point of the year. Thank goodness that guess came true. Tesla's stock has done a lot better since then than it did in February. This is great news for buyers. It's always comforting to see a break in a trend, especially when there's a lot of activity and people are looking forward to good news. Stock prices often go up because of how the market feels rather than because of solid business reasons. Tech indicators like changes in stock prices, Fibonacci levels, and cyclical trends are also something that analysts look at. Even though this method is complicated, it is based on math and history facts. Earlier expectations that Tesla would hit a low point in March or April came true, and the stock is now looking better, which is a good sign for the future. People who follow the market may have noticed some interesting changes in Tesla's stock trends since November 2021. The stock's prices stopped falling and started staying stable. This is called coming out of a downtrend. As the stock moves sideways during consolidation, it's like it's taking a deep breath before a big jump up. It's building up power for a big move up. This behavior makes me think that Tesla is probably getting ready for a big step forward. People are thinking that Tesla might hit the $300 mark in the fall. To keep track of these changes, analysts use high-tech tools such as the Cycle Finder. Based on past data, this tool helps them figure out the patterns in how stock prices move. They expect a small peak soon, but for now this is just a short surge before a short break. The stock could go up even more after that, which would be exciting for Tesla owners. Even though the market has been having problems lately, Mark Newton from Fundstrat is very optimistic about Tesla's future. He thinks that Tesla's stock is on the mend and that it might even reach or beat previous records for high prices. The pink line cycle, a technical sign, supports this view. It shows that Tesla is not only making a comeback, but also getting ready for a big jump ahead in the stock market race. Now, let's talk about how stocks do when there are elections. Uncertainty might make investors worried, which makes sense, but in practice, things don't always work out this way. It's called the wall of worry, and it happens when the stock market goes up even though elections are a mess. Despite their worries, investors keep putting money into the market, which drives it up. From August to November, election season, markets may settle down while everyone waits for the results. There is often a strong recovery in market success after an election, though. When it comes to economic factors like the dollar and interest rates, the Federal Reserve is very important. More and more people think that the Federal Reserve will start lowering interest rates as soon as September. Government yields and the stock market are often linked. When government yields go down, the stock market usually does better. Lower interest rates make it cheaper to borrow money, which makes people spend and invest more, which usually makes stock prices go up. Longer-term economic cycles, on the other hand, point to rougher seas ahead. In fact, some analysts think there could be a recession by 2026. Even with these worries, Tesla's future looks good. Traders think that Tesla's stock will hit an all-time high sometime between November of this year and the spring or summer of next year. This could be a sign for Tesla owners to hold on to their investments, since these possible gains could be big. This is a tip for people who are paying close attention to the stock market. If the price of a stock is between $222 and $225, it might be a great time to buy. As the price of a stock starts to rise, trading volume, the number of shares bought and sold, often goes up. This means that the stock could go even higher. During a breakout, this is called volume growth, and it's a good sign for investors. Tesla's stock is moving in a more positive direction. Moving average convergence divergence (MACD) tools are used by analysts to find changes in velocity. The MACD is currently pointing up for Tesla, which means the stock price may go up. When used with the MACD, the RSI, Relative Strength Index, which shows how quickly prices are moving, also shows a positive trend. There is a chance that Tesla's stock will hit a new all-time high by next spring or summer, but there could be a small problem in November when market weakness could cause the price to drop into the $220s. But don't worry too much. Technical analysis shows that the price could go up a lot after this drop, maybe even hitting $300. Tesla is getting better and things are looking up, so it might be a good idea to hold on to your shares or even buy more. That's all we have to say about Tesla's exciting price moves. From the possible rise above $265 to the ups and downs that basic analysis predicts, it's clear that Tesla's journey is still as exciting as ever. We also looked at how election years can affect the stock market and some of the more complex tools that experts use to guess what will happen in the future. Why do you think these things will happen? Are you thinking about buying Tesla shares? Maybe you already have some and don't know what to do next. In election years, how do you feel about the stock market? Feel free to leave your ideas and questions below. I look forward to hearing from you. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News to get more news and updates. Keep an eye on those stocks, and thanks for watching.